is a kind of woman whose strength is not loud and whose faith is not performative. She walks gently through a demanding world, carrying responsibilities, disappointments, and silent prayers, yet her heart remains anchored. She is not untouched by pain, but she is guided by wisdom. And what protects her is not perfection, nor approval, nor control. It is a set of quiet principles that guard her faith, her dignity, and her inner peace. A smart Muslim woman does not measure her value by how visible she is, how admired she appears, or how often her efforts are praised. She understands with calm certainty that human approval is fragile and constantly shifting. People change their opinions quickly, sometimes without reason, and building a sense of worth on that kind of ground only leads to exhaustion and self-doubt. Instead, she anchors her identity in her relationship with God. This anchoring brings a quiet stability into her life. When she succeeds, she remains humble because she knows success is not self-created. When she falls short, she does not collapse into shame because she understands that mistakes do not erase worth. Her value is not negotiated through people's reactions, comments, or expectations. Because of this, she does not chase validation, nor does she shrink herself to fit into spaces that do not honor her faith or character. She can walk away from environments that constantly demand her to prove herself, because she knows she was already honored by her Creator. This inner certainty allows her to stand with dignity even when she is misunderstood, overlooked, or judged unfairly. When a woman lives this way, rejection no longer feels like a verdict on her value. Criticism no longer defines her identity. Comparison loses its power over her heart. She becomes emotionally resilient, not because she feels nothing, but because her sense of self is rooted in something far deeper than people's opinions. This is where true confidence begins, not in being seen, but in being secure. A smart Muslim woman understands that her heart is not something to leave unprotected in a world that often handles emotions carelessly. She does not confuse openness with strength, nor does she believe that sharing everything makes her more sincere. Instead, she learns to be intentional about who has access to her inner world, because she knows that trust is sacred and must be earned, not assumed. She has learned, often through experience, that not every listener is a safe place. Some people listen only to respond, some listen to judge, and some listen to repeat what was shared in confidence. So she becomes selective, not because she is distant or guarded by fear, but because she values the health of her heart. She understands that emotional boundaries are not walls, they are doors that open with wisdom. This woman reflects before she speaks. She asks herself whether sharing will bring healing or simply reopen wounds. She asks whether the person in front of her has the maturity to carry her vulnerability with care. And if the answer is no, she chooses silence without guilt. This silence is not suppression, it is self-respect. Because she guards her heart, she also learns how to release what harms it. She does not cling to relationships that repeatedly drain her peace. She does not justify emotional neglect or excuse patterns that slowly erode her faith and self-worth. She gives people space to grow, but she also gives herself permission to step back when staying costs her too much. In guarding her heart, she becomes emotionally balanced. She feels deeply, but she is not consumed by every feeling. She loves sincerely, but she does not lose herself in the process. Her wisdom allows her to remain soft without being fragile, open without being exposed, and kind without being unprotected. A smart Muslim woman learns over time that not every situation requires her immediate response, and not every emotion demands expression. She understands that constant reacting keeps the heart restless and the mind unsettled. So instead of allowing every comment, misunderstanding, or provocation to pull her into emotional turbulence, she creates space between what happens and how she responds. This space is where her wisdom lives. In that pause, she reflects rather than explodes. She evaluates rather than defends, and she remembers what truly matters. She knows that reacting impulsively may feel relieving in the moment, but it often leaves behind regret, broken connections, or a heaviness in the heart. By choosing calm over chaos, she protects her inner peace, which she understands is one of her most valuable treasures. She also realizes that silence can be powerful. Silence does not always mean agreement, weakness, or defeat. Sometimes it is a conscious decision to preserve dignity and emotional balance. She learns that walking away from unnecessary conflict is not losing her voice, it is honoring her energy. She saves her words for moments that truly matter and for conversations that are built on respect, not tension. When she does speak, her words carry weight because they are measured and intentional. She is not driven by the need to be right, but by the desire to remain aligned with her values. This is why her presence feels calming to others. Her peace is not accidental. It is cultivated through restraint, reflection, and trust in God's justice over her own immediate defense. By choosing inner peace again and again, she transforms her emotional world. What once triggered her no longer controls her. What once drained her now passes without leaving a wound. This is not emotional numbness. It is emotional mastery, rooted in faith and guided by wisdom. A smart Muslim woman understands, with clarity that grows deeper over time, that the strength of her life is directly connected to the strength of her relationship with God. She has learned that when this connection is weak, everything else begins to feel heavy, confusing, and unstable, even if life looks fine on the surface. Her emotions feel scattered, her patience feels thin, and her heart feels restless in ways she cannot always explain. Instead of blaming people, circumstances, or herself endlessly, she looks inward and recognizes that the soul needs nourishment before anything else can truly settle. She does not approach faith as a backup plan reserved only for moments of crisis. She turns to God in ordinary days, quiet mornings, and unseen struggles, understanding that consistency matters more than intensity. She does not wait until she is broken to remember her Creator, nor does she believe that closeness is only for those who feel spiritually strong. She returns even when she feels distant, even when she feels unworthy, even when she feels tired of trying. This return itself becomes an act of trust and humility. A smart Muslim woman also understands that guilt can be one of the greatest barriers to spiritual growth if it is allowed to turn into despair. Instead of letting guilt push her away, she allows it to guide her gently back. She knows that God's mercy is not limited to the spiritually perfect, but open to the sincere heart that keeps returning. This understanding softens her relationship with faith and removes the pressure to perform. Her worship becomes honest rather than forced, reflective rather than rushed. Because she builds this relationship intentionally, it becomes her anchor during emotional storms. When people disappoint her, she does not feel abandoned. When plans fall apart, she does not feel lost. When life feels unfair, she does not feel unseen. Her heart knows there is a higher wisdom at work, even when answers are delayed. This trust does not remove pain, but it gives pain meaning and direction. Over time, this connection shapes her character. It teaches her patience without bitterness, hope without denial, and strength without arrogance. She begins to respond to life with depth rather than panic. She becomes less reactive, less fearful, and less dependent on control. Her faith reminds her that not everything needs to be fixed immediately, and not every question needs an instant answer. This is why a smart Muslim woman prioritizes her relationship with God above titles, relationships, and expectations. She knows that when this foundation is strong, everything else aligns with greater ease. And when it weakens, nothing else can truly replace it. A smart Muslim woman learns, often through difficult seasons, that patience is one of the most misunderstood virtues. She sees how many women are taught to be patient in ways that slowly erase them, silence them, and drain their sense of self. Over time, she realizes that true patience was never meant to destroy a person's dignity or suppress their pain. It was meant to refine the heart, not crush it. She understands that patience is not pretending that harm does not hurt. It is not smiling through emotional neglect. It is not remaining in spaces that continuously wound the soul. A smart Muslim woman knows that patience without wisdom becomes self-abandonment, and faith never calls a woman to abandon herself. So she learns to practice patience with clarity, not confusion. This woman allows herself to feel. She does not rush her healing or shame herself for struggling. She acknowledges her exhaustion without labeling it weakness. She knows that the heart, like the body, becomes tired when it carries too much for too long. Instead of forcing herself to endure endlessly, she pauses, reflects, and asks what this season is teaching her. She also learns that patience sometimes means waiting, but other times it means walking away. It may mean staying calm instead of reacting, but it may also mean speaking up instead of staying silent. She understands that patience is not passive acceptance of every situation, but an active decision to respond in a way that preserves faith and self-respect. A smart Muslim woman does not confuse patience with fear. She does not stay quiet simply to avoid conflict. She does not tolerate disrespect simply to keep peace. She knows that peace built on self-betrayal will eventually collapse. So when she chooses patience, it is a conscious, grounded choice, not a forced surrender. She also understands that patience is deeply connected to trust. Trust that God sees what others overlook. Trust that delayed outcomes are not denied outcomes. Trust that what leaves her life makes space for what is better aligned with her soul. This trust allows her to remain steady even when results take time. Over time, patience shapes her into someone emotionally resilient. She becomes less desperate for immediate relief and more focused on long-term growth. She learns to sit with discomfort without letting it define her. She becomes gentle with herself during setbacks and hopeful during uncertainty. This is why her patience strengthens her rather than empties her. It teaches her boundaries, discernment, and inner confidence. It allows her to endure hardship without losing herself and to grow without hardening her heart. In understanding patience this way, she discovers that true strength lies not in enduring everything, but in knowing what is worth enduring and what is not. A smart Muslim woman eventually realizes that the most important work she will ever do is invisible. It does not always show on her appearance, her achievements, or her social presence, but it shapes everything she becomes. She learns that when the inner world is neglected, no amount of external success can bring lasting peace. And when the inner world is nurtured, even difficult seasons become meaningful rather than destructive. She begins by turning inward with honesty. She pays attention to her thoughts, her emotional patterns, and the quiet narratives she tells herself. She notices how easily the mind absorbs comparison, criticism, and unrealistic expectations, and she becomes intentional about what she allows to settle in her heart. Instead of constantly measuring herself against others, she asks deeper questions about growth, sincerity, and alignment with faith. This woman understands that validation from people is temporary and unpredictable. Praise can disappear as quickly as it appears, and dependence on it creates emotional instability. So she slowly detaches her sense of worth from likes, compliments, and approval. She appreciates kindness when it comes, but she no longer needs it to feel secure. Her confidence comes from self-awareness, not attention. She also invests in learning, reflection, and quiet moments that strengthen her character. She takes time to sit with herself, to understand her fears instead of running from them, and to heal wounds rather than covering them. She allows herself to grow slowly, knowing that rushed growth often leads to shallow foundations. This patience with herself makes her emotionally mature and spiritually grounded. A smart Muslim woman also understands that self-care is not selfishness when it is done with intention. She rests without guilt, knowing that exhaustion clouds judgment and weakens faith. She sets boundaries around her energy because she knows that constantly giving without renewal leads to resentment and burnout. She learns that preserving her inner peace allows her to show up more sincerely for others. She becomes mindful of what she consumes, not just physically, but emotionally and mentally. She is careful with what she watches, listens to, and engages in because she knows these things shape the heart over time. She chooses content, conversations, and environments that nourish rather than drain her. This discipline creates clarity and emotional balance. As her inner world strengthens, her reactions soften. She becomes less defensive, less anxious, and less controlled by external chaos. Challenges no longer shake her identity because she is rooted in self-knowledge and trust in God. She responds instead of reacts. She reflects instead of panics. She becomes steady rather than scattered. This inner investment also changes how she loves. She no longer seeks others to fill emptiness within herself. She gives from fullness, not from need. She chooses relationships based on respect and values, rather than emotional dependency. This makes her love healthier, calmer, and more sincere. Over time, this focus on the inner world transforms her life quietly but profoundly. She becomes someone whose presence feels reassuring, whose words feel measured, and whose faith feels authentic. Not because she is flawless, but because she is deeply rooted. And that rootedness allows her to stand with grace regardless of what the world demands from her. A smart Muslim woman understands that true strength is not loud, demanding, or self-centered. It is calm, grounded, and deeply aware. She walks through life knowing that everything she has, her faith, her clarity, her resilience, is a gift, not a personal achievement. This awareness shapes the way she thinks, speaks, and treats others. It keeps her heart soft, even as she grows stronger. She does not carry herself with arrogance, even when she has knowledge, discipline, or spiritual consistency. She remembers how much she has struggled, how many times she has been confused, and how often she needed mercy herself. This memory keeps her humble. It prevents her from judging others harshly or assuming superiority simply because her journey looks more settled today. A smart Muslim woman knows that growth is not a straight line. She understands that people are at different stages, facing battles that are not always visible. So she chooses compassion over criticism and understanding over assumption. When she sees someone struggling, she does not rush to correct or condemn. She reflects, she makes space, and she leaves room for growth. Her humility creates safety, not pressure. She also understands that humility does not mean invisibility. It does not mean denying her strengths or minimizing her worth. It means recognizing that her value does not need constant display. She does not feel the need to announce her progress or prove her faith to others. Her consistency speaks quietly through her character, her choices, and the way she carries herself over time. This woman walks with awareness. She is mindful of her intentions, knowing that actions lose their meaning when sincerity is missing. She checks her heart often, asking whether she is acting to please people or to remain true to her faith. This self-awareness keeps her grounded and prevents her from being pulled into comparison, performance, or spiritual pride. She also learns to trust deeply, even when outcomes are uncertain. Trust does not mean passivity or blind optimism. It means doing her part with sincerity and leaving what she cannot control in the hands of God. She understands that some answers arrive slowly and some doors close for reasons she may never fully understand. Instead of fighting this reality, she learns to surrender with wisdom. This trust brings her peace during delays. It steadies her during loss. It reassures her when effort does not immediately lead to visible results. She knows that timing carries wisdom, even when it challenges patience. Because of this, she does not rush life or force outcomes. She allows things to unfold with faith, effort, and acceptance. A smart Muslim woman also understands the power of quiet consistency. She is not motivated by sudden inspiration alone, but by steady commitment. She continues showing up even when motivation fades. She continues choosing what is right even when it feels unnoticed. This consistency builds a strong inner structure that does not collapse under pressure. As she walks this way, her presence becomes calming. People feel at ease around her because she does not compete, compare, or control. She listens without rushing. She speaks without harming. She supports without overwhelming. Her humility and trust create balance, not tension. Over time, this way of living shapes her into someone deeply respected, even if she is not widely praised. Her strength feels safe, her faith feels sincere, and her wisdom feels earned. She becomes an example not through perfection, but through authenticity. This is the woman who understands that life is not about being seen, but about being aligned, not about impressing others, but about protecting the heart, not about controlling outcomes, but about trusting the process with faith, patience, and grace. And this is why her life, even with its challenges, carries depth, dignity, and quiet peace. A smart Muslim woman is not defined by how perfect her life looks or how smoothly her journey unfolds. She is defined by the choices she makes when no one is watching, by the principles she holds onto when life becomes heavy, and by the faith she returns to even after moments of weakness. Her strength is not loud, and her wisdom is not rushed. It is built slowly, through reflection, patience, and trust. She learns that life will test her in many forms. Some tests arrive as loss, some as delay, and others as emotional exhaustion. Yet each test carries an invitation to grow deeper rather than harder, to become wiser rather than bitter, and to trust more fully rather than withdraw. She does not always understand why things happen the way they do, but she understands where to turn when her heart feels unsettled. Over time, she stops measuring success by speed, comparison, or approval. She begins to value alignment over attention and sincerity over performance. Her faith becomes a steady presence rather than a reaction to fear. Her patience becomes intentional rather than forced. Her self-respect becomes non-negotiable, and her humility becomes a source of inner peace rather than self-doubt. This woman is not untouched by pain, but she is not defined by it. She carries her experiences with grace, allowing them to shape her character rather than harden her heart. She learns when to hold on and when to let go, when to speak and when to remain silent, and when to move forward and when to rest. And this is what makes her truly smart. Not intelligence alone, but awareness. Awareness of her worth, her limits, and her relationship with God. Awareness that life is not about controlling every outcome, but about remaining faithful in intention, consistent in effort, and gentle with the self along the way. When a woman lives by these principles, her life becomes a quiet reflection of wisdom. She may not always be understood, but she is deeply grounded. She may not always be celebrated, but she is at peace. And in a world that often pressures women to be everything at once, she chooses something far more powerful: to be anchored, intentional, and whole. Ya Allah, place light in the hearts of the women who are listening right now. Light that brings clarity when confusion feels heavy, and calm when emotions feel overwhelming. Grant them strength that does not harden their hearts, and patience that does not erase their dignity. Teach them how to wait without despair, how to walk forward without fear, and how to trust you even when answers feel delayed. Protect their hearts from exhaustion, comparison, and self-doubt. Shield them from relationships that drain their faith, and guide them toward paths that nourish their souls. Give them wisdom to know when to speak and when to remain silent, when to hold on and when to let go. Ya Allah, when they feel unseen, remind them that you see everything. When they feel unworthy, remind them that your mercy is greater than their mistakes. When they feel tired of trying, give them the gentleness to return without shame. Make their faith a source of peace, not pressure. Make their lives a reflection of sincerity, balance, and quiet strength. And allow their journey, with all its struggles and growth, to bring them closer to you in every season. Amen.